welcome back to another video. So this is one of those all-in-one quick building nail tips and glue set. So this one's from Born Pretty, so I'm looking forward to trying this one. So it's looking like it's one of those that comes with the little lamp, glue and nail tips. So this is off Amazon. I think at the time of recording this, it's out of stock on the website, but it is available on Amazon. I will leave as many links below as I can to where this is available. I've got a discount code for Born Pretty as well, and it's a good one. I'll leave it on the screen and it'll be in my description box as well with a link to the website. And obviously I'll leave links to this as well. So let's have a look what we get. All-in-one quick... Oh, I love the sound of this quick building. So let's see what we get. Right, so straight away we've got a little nail file. It just feels like your standard 100, 180. Right, we've got some French tip guides, 2 packets. Are they the same? Yeah, they're the same. So they're curved and they are what you stick on the tips of your nails so you can paint and get a really nice crisp French tip. Oh, what's in here? Oh, we've got a red chrome powder. So yeah, this looks like a deep dark red chrome powder. Look at that. Wow, and you get your eyeshadow applicator with it. Right, so here's your little lamp. Oh, look. Oh, and it's got the button there, which I love. Oh, and it's got 4 lights. Wow, it's got 4 lights and your USB cord. And then we've got your 6-in-1 nail glue. 6-in-1. So I think it's going to be able to be used as a base. Maybe an extension. Oh, it's thick like Builder in a bottle. Yeah, maybe like a base coat. An extension gel. Oh, that is crystal clear. Oh, we're going to try all this anyway. Then we've got your nail tips. Right, so there's lots of tips in here, guys. Right, you get 2 packs of these. These are your XL. These look like XL coffin. Not extra long, but long enough. So these are full cover coffin tips. Quite long ones, I like them. They're really long and slim. Beautiful shape. Beautiful shape. Oh, sugar. I like them. So it looks like you've got 2 packs of those. Then we've got 2 packs of shorter ones, are they? Right, so you get the shorter ones. This is really cool. So you get my kind of length that I wear most days. Aren't they a beautiful shape? Yeah, and then you get your longer ones for people that prefer them longer. That's cool. 2 packs of each. Then you also get 2 packs of these. So these are your XXL look, extra long square, and they've got a beautiful C curve. Yeah, so these are free edge tips, really long square ones. Aren't they cool? Wow, look at them. This is so cool that it comes with all this stuff. So you get 2 packs of them free edge long square C-curve ones. Then you get 2 packs of my favourite tips, guys. These are the tips that I use in most videos, unless I'm doing an extra long set. So these are your little, again, these are free edge ones. Oh, these are so thin, I can feel already which ones these are. These are good tips. Look at them. And they've got a beautiful C-curve. Look at that. Aren't they pretty tips? Again, they're really long and sleek and slim. I love them. Wow. And they're so thin there. You really wouldn't have to blend that in. It's already done. It is. It's already done for you. It's like paper. These are actually really good quality tips. I'm well impressed. So again, you get 2 packs of those. And then you get 2 packs of these. I haven't got any of these. These are, how would I describe these? Let me just grab a couple out. They've not got a well on them, and they've not got a C-curve. These are just flat, square. Yeah, they're like these that I'm wearing. Square, but slightly longer version in tips. So yeah, that shape, square, but longer version. And there's no C-curve, they're flat. I love them. I really, really like them. These are really cool. I'm well impressed with what this little kit comes with, you know. Well impressed with all them tips. That's really well thought out and put together, isn't it? Because every kit of these that I have bought comes with these long coffin. So to stick in the extra long, and then the free edge long square, and then the short square with no C-curve, and then the free edge coffin. I think that's amazing. Right guys, I'm voiceover in this part because it's quite a long second part to the video. So I thought, rather than just use this as I normally would for full cover tips like this, these little kits, I normally use them, and most people do, to apply full cover tips like that. As it says 6 in 1, I'm going to put all 6 to the test. So the first one we're trying is, could it be used as a base coat? So nice thin even layer. It is quite thick, but nice thin even layer. Put it in the lamp for 30 seconds and see if it cures with a tacky layer. So that's it out the lamp, and it has cured with a nice tacky layer. So that's the first one. Can have a thumbs up. It works as a base coat. So secondly, I'm going to try the blooming gel. So I'm just using this from the Bow and Pretty Pro series. Just going to give it a quick colour coat so I can just try a little pattern with the blooming gel. So I'm literally just giving this one coat, and then I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, so trying it as a blooming gel, same as I did with the base coat, just a nice even coat. But with blooming gel, you don't cure it. And you do pattern, you can do marbles with it. I'm going to try and do this kind of crocodile, alligator print that people do. And what should happen with a blooming gel, when you put the gel polish colour into it, it should bloom out and start kind of dispersing. The longer you leave it, the longer it disperses. So it's, yeah, one of them. So I'm just going to use this little Bow and Pretty kind of detailer brush. I'll put some white gel polish on my palette, and don't judge, I've never done this before. This is just to check if the blooming gel works, guys. It's not about the design. I am just going to do some little lines going down the middle and then a dot down each side. Just to check if the gel polish disperses and blooms like it should. And it does, guys. It works as a blooming gel. And it blooming does. It works as a blooming gel. The gel polish started dispersing. Lovely. So yeah, number 2 as a blooming gel. That gets a thumbs up as well. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp now for 30 seconds. And then we're going to try number 3, which is using it as a top coat. So again, just a nice even layer. Now obviously we've already used this as a base coat, so we know it dries with a tacky layer. But my best Madame Glam top coat cures with a tacky layer. You just have to wipe it off. So I'm just using a lint-free wipe and some alcohol. And it does, number 3 guys, it works as a top coat. Now obviously it's not the glossiest of top coats because it's not a top coat, but it's certainly glossy. So number 3, using it as a top coat, yep, that gets a thumbs up as well. Now I've never used paper foams. I've pulled 3 different lots out. All I know is I just wanted a really short one. So I had stiff cardboard, plastic, and then these little cheap ones that I think you get free with everything. So I'm going to go with the little cheap ones just because I think a lot more people will have them ones and they're a lot more accessible. So I'm going to get this on, which was a struggle, and then we'll see if it works as an extension gel. So these paper foams, they don't stick to silicone, So I've used a bit of nail tech tape just to stick it on. I think I did a bloody good job. So I've watched a couple of videos and I'm just gonna do a tip on the free edge. So I'm just buffing a little bit of the shine off, and I'm just gonna build a tip on the free edge of this, see if it cures, and yeah, see if it can be used as an extension gel.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain.
Right, so I'm just going to take this paper off. That's had 60 seconds in the lamp, so I've just built a tip out of it, so you could use it as a tip, but I'm just going to carry on and build the full nail just because I wanted to. But number 4, using it as an extension gel. Yep, that gets a thumbs up as well. I'm so impressed, guys. One of them's got to fail, surely. But yeah, number 4, extension gel, definitely gets a thumbs up.
I won't stop till I hear him say.
So that's my little extension nail filed and buffed. I'm well impressed with that little nail. Right, so number 5, we're going to try it now, just using it like I normally would for full cover tip application. So I'm just rubbing a bit of primer in. You need to buff off that shiny surface inside the nail. Use a primer or acetone or buff it off with your electric file. Make sure you get that shiny surface out the inside of that nail. So I'm just putting a little bit of gel down that nail, and then a little bit of gel inside the tip as well. This was so awkward doing it on my practice hand, guys, but you know, we got there. So yeah, this is how I normally put full cover tips on my nails. I really struggled because it was on my practice hand, but yeah, it turned out alright. So I always press it down at the cuticle area, and just as you're pressing it down, you'll see the gel creep up the nail, and when the gel gets to the tip same level as your natural nail, just get it straight in the lamp. And I always stick it in my big lamp for a full cure once they come out these little lamps as well. Yeah, and that's your nail done. That's it attached. That's it done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right, what number are we on now? Number 5. Guess what, guys? Gets a thumbs up. It works as a full cover glue gel without a doubt. So, just one more to try now, and that is using it to glue a tip on, but I think we all know the answer to that already, don't we? So, just as you would do with your regular nail glue, put a little bit in the well, or if it's a well-less, put it there, and hold it on to the tip of your nail, exactly the same as what you would do with a nail glue, except you're going to cure it whilst you're holding it in place. I stuck this on wonky, guys. You'll see in a minute. So there we go, guys, all 6 put to the test, all 6 passed with flying colours. So I gave my little extension nail a little top coat just so it was shiny, but yeah, slight yellowing, but as a 6-in-1 that are, to be fair, they're normally bullshit, a lot of them, it's actually not. I'm well impressed, guys. I will leave the link to this particular kit below. It's only available on Amazon at the time of recording. But anyway, guys, I'm going. That's everything that it came with. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.